today's video, I am going to be sharing with you 3 bar soaps that leaves your skin light and flawless. And when I mean light and flawless, it means it's going to lighten up your skin and also remove all blemishes from your skin and make your skin to look very good. So the very first one on my list is this Ashanti 4-in-1 bar soap. If you have probably used other variants of Ashanti soap, you need to try out this banger, because this one here will clear out your skin of all blemishes like discoloration, pimples on your body and your face, and it also helps to shrink open pores on your skin. And one thing about this soap is that it is very moisturizing. Unlike some lightning bar soaps that when you use it on your skin dries out, or you start having things like itchiness and burning on your skin. This one is very mild, just like the other Ashanti soap, but just that this one contains a lot of ingredients to lighten up your skin and clear out all blemishes from your skin. If you have been suffering from a lot of acne on your face, you have used a couple of products that are not working well on your skin, you really want to use this Ashanti 4-in-1 soap as your pre-cleansing soap to get the best results in clearing out your acne. And if you have been suffering from a lot of hyperpigmentation on your skin, you have used a couple of products to brighten up your skin, but it doesn't really give you that brightness or making the hyperpigmentation to blend well with your skin, then you want to use this Ashanti 4-in-1 to help to clear out hyperpigmentation from your skin, helping a lot with discoloration and also helping to clear out all pimples and acne from your body, especially for those of you that have acne on your back, acne on your chest. This soap is going to work perfectly well on your skin. And if you're also someone looking for a soap to maintain your skin, probably you have achieved a very good, healthy looking skin, the complexion on your skin, the tone and all that, and you want a soap to maintain that complexion, a soap that will not darken up your skin, but help to keep that brightness on your skin elevated, then you want to use this Ashanti soap. It's going to help to constantly maintain your complexion to look brighter every single day. And this soap massively glows the skin. It is a type of soap that after using it, you are going to see your skin looking radiant. And even on days where you have not used it, like in the morning when you wake up, you've not had your bath, your skin is still glowing. And it helps a lot in giving you a hydrated skin, because when your skin is hydrated and soft, you will see that your skin naturally glows all the time. So the next soap on my list is the Pure Carrot soap. This is another amazing soap. If you have used the face cream before, you will likely know how this soap is going to work well for your skin, because that was the first impression I had before I got this Pure Carrot soap in the market. And this soap is a very good maintenance soap. If you are looking for a soap to, keep your skin healthy, it will not overly lighten up your skin, but it will not darken your skin. So it is a soap to help to keep your complexion intact, and it gives a brighter tone because this soap gently exfoliates the skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells from your skin, making your skin to look very new, very fresh. And again, it also keeps your skin looking brighter and healthier. So this is the type of soap for those of you that have a very strong textured skin that hardly reacts to products. You have used a lot of skincare products, but your skin seems not to be listening to any of the skincare products you are putting on it. It is a very good pre-cleansing soap. It lathers so well. For those of you that don't like soap that does not lather at all, this one lathers super well, get your skin super clean and brighten up your skin. And this soap also helps to clear pimples and dark spots from your skin. When you are using it, your skin is going to be looking very even out. Even with the face cream, if you pair this soap with the face cream, you are going to love your skin, because it's going to just naturally repair your skin and give you a glowing skin. And that brings me to people that want to also repair their skin. If you have a broken skin barrier and you are looking for a soap to pre-cleanse your skin and not bleach your skin but have a brighter tone, then it has to be this Pure Carrot soap, because it brightens up the skin and helps with your skin tone to have a very fine looking complexion. So the next one on my list is the Retin A bar soap. For those of you that still suffer from a lot of acne on your face, or suffer from a lot of severe ingrown acne, those acne that will not come out of your skin, they will just be inside your skin, this is that bar soap for you. This one will help to clear out all those acne from your skin. This soap is a very good soap for the face as well. If you have acne on your face, this soap works super well for both your face and your body. It's going to clear out your acne, your ingrown acne, and again, it's also going to help to smoothen your skin. If your face is not looking smooth, you want a soap to smoothen your face and also your body, this Retin A soap is a good one for you. And it also helps to brighten the skin. This is a soap that will make your skin to look very light and flawless. It's very moisturizing, so it is not that type of soap that you'll be using on your skin. Your skin is drying out, you are looking for a lot of moisturizer to keep your skin intact. This one does not dry out the skin, moisturizes your skin, clear out acne on your skin, and also prevent reoccurring acne. When it's clearing the ones that are already on your face, it's preventing new ones from coming. So this is an everyday soap to help to remove all blemishes from your face and your body, and also maintain your skin for an everyday glow. So these are my top 3 soaps that will keep your skin very light and flawless. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.